Guys, welcome back to my channel, and if this is your first time here, hi, hello, my name is Helen. I'm so glad you could join me today. I have an exciting video for you guys. So I have for today I almost called it the November. I have today the January No Make No Life box. I can't hold it up the other way because they put my address directly on front. So this is what you get to see. I am super excited to see what January has. I did not get to do a December video because I basically went right into my little holiday break. So I did not get a video out last month. December's box definitely had some really cute stuff in there, and I will say a lot of it ended up going towards gifts and things for other people. So I didn't really keep too many of the things from the December box. So I am super excited to see what is in this box. But before we get started, if you love all things beauty and makeup, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I post new beauty content every Wednesday and Sunday, and I would love for you to join my family. And without further ado, roll that intro. Alright guys, I'm going to go ahead and open this box and we're going to get right into it. So here is what the box looks like. Give you guys a little sneak peek of what's in here. So the theme for the month is the top of the charts. Super cute. I always love the artwork on these. They're so cute. This is, I came in real fast there. This is what the artwork looks like. Let's see. Now, I'm pretty sure, was it last month? Was it the month before? They no longer have the horoscopes, which is such a bummer. And it's silly because, did I ever really listen to them? No, but I still like looking at them. All right, so this is super cute. We're just going to dive right in here. And I'm going to start off with the funniest looking thing I can see. And that is this. It looks like Minnie Mouse lost his glove, or any Disney character. It is so silly looking. Let's see what this is. So this is from Japan, and it is a microfiber hair drying glove. Dealing with wet hair right after shower is never fun, and you could catch a cold. This soft and super absorbent microfiber helps to reduce blow drying time and keep your hair healthy. Comes in one of 4 colors: ivory, blue, gray, and pink. I got the ivory, and it says it is machine washable. This actually would be kind of cool to try out for when I'm curling my hair. Boy, does that feel weird on, maybe it needs to go on this hand. It feels so weird. I feel like I have fingers in the wrong thing. Anyway, I could see when I'm doing my hair curly like this, being able to scrunch up, I think would be really beneficial when my hair is wet. If I was, instead of blow drying it, letting it air dry, which I do quite often, I could just, use this to kind of speed up the drying time. So I'm excited about that. That's super fun. Definitely unexpected. All right, next up we have a lip oil. So this is from Japan as well. So you are Glam, or your Glam, I'm not sure how they have it, you are, the letters you are Glam. Between a balm and a gloss, a lip oil hydrates and soothes dry winter lips and infuses them with a vibrant tint. Add a pop of color plus lasting shine with just a few swipes and no stickiness. Comes in one of 12 colors: nude pink, coral pink, clear pink, raspberry pink, pink brown, clear purple, clear yellow, deep blue, turquoise blue, gold, and silver. No idea which one this is considered. Oh, it's a considered deep blue. Says it right on there. So this is the deep blue. I have had a couple of lip oils in the past, and I'm never quite fond of the way they feel on my lips. So I think this is going to go into future giveaway pile. I'm very particular about the lip stuff I put on. I tend to really like a really thick balm versus an oil. So super cute, but not quite up my alley. All right, next up in here, we have a super cute package. This is Facey, maybe? Moisture Balm Hand Cream in Violet. The packaging is super cute. It says on here, with over 10 million sold worldwide, this popular Korean hand cream from Facey lives up to its name with deep moisturizing power. It contains shea butter and aloe vera extract, which soothe and brighten dull, dry skin. Comes in 1 of 5 scents: strawberry, violet, grapefruit, peach, and milk. If I got the peach, that would have been super exciting, but I do love purple, so I love that this is violet. Let me open this real quick. I kind of want to smell it and see if it does in fact smell like violets. Ugh, the tube is so cute, so cute. It has a little foil protector on there. Although it smells very nice. I guess I don't really know what violets smell like. This is very lightly scented. It's not very strong. It feels really nice and moisturizing, so this is going to stay on my desk for me to be able to moisturize. It could also probably go in my purse because it's so small, but I'm going to stick with keeping it on my desk because I don't go anywhere and there's no point in putting it in my purse. All right, next up. Oh, this is cute. I'm super excited about this. They're BT21 hair clips. This will be really great for when I'm doing my makeup. I can clip my hair back so it's not in my face. Let's read about this real quick. So these are from Japan. It's BT21 hair clip. Add some K-pop to your hair look with BT21 hair clips. A big hit and Line Friends collab. Get 1 of 7 characters created by the BTS members: Tata, Koya, RJ, Shuki, Mang, Chimmy, and Kuki. I don't know. I don't see its name on here. But it's cute. Test one out. So yeah, I would just like pin my hair back while I do my makeup. I'm so excited to use this in a video. Look at how cute it is. All right, I like. All right, next up we have a mask. And you know I love me a mask. This one looks like a fancy mask. This is Vita Light Beam Essential Mask. This is what that looks like. So it says here, Mediheal Essential Mask. This is a Korean brand. I've gotten lots of Mediheal masks from, I almost called this BoxyCharm, from No Make No Life, and I do like them quite a bit. Voted the #1 face mask by @Cosme users for 2 years running. This essential mask is packed full of hydrating ingredients made in collaboration with dermatologists. It's specially formulated to work with your skin, not against it, and comes in 1 of 5 kinds. I got the Vita Light Beam. It's vitamin C and oryzanol for a brighter, shinier complexion. That sounds pretty good. Let's see, they had collagen impact, placenta revital, tea tree healing solution, and V-Life. So I got the Vita Light Beam. Okay, I am excited about that. I love me a mask. Next up, we have Innisfree No Sebum Mineral Powder. I've heard a lot about Innisfree, and by I've heard a lot of it, I've just seen a lot of YouTubers do videos with Innisfree. So that's really exciting to be able to try one of their items. That may be something in a future video. I kind of take a closer look into Korean beauty. So let's take a look at this. This is what the packaging looks like, by the way. So it says, this is from Korea, the beauty item every Korean woman swears by. This super soft setting powder created by Innisfree is made from Jeju Island natural minerals and mint. It locks everything in place and leaves your skin looking smooth and airbrushed. So that sounds really nice. And I like that it's like a little package to try out. Super cute. All right, next up, this is so pretty. I'm actually really excited about this one. This is the You Are Glam Blooming Eye Color Palette, and the colors are so nice. They're like a nice neutral browns. There's some mattes and some shimmers. So this is from Japan. This eyeshadow palette sold out when it was voted Best Multi-Palette by @Cosme at the beginning of 2020, featuring tones of brown, beige, and red in matte and glitter. All 9 colors are perfect for everyday wear. And yeah, this is a really good everyday wear palette, so I'm excited about this. And last but not least, we have another mask, but this one is for your hair, and this looks awesome. This is Damage Care Steam Effect Hair Mask. This looks so cool. So it says on here, this is from Korea, Scene Extreme Damage Repair Hair Mask, which I could go for. From the #1 hair care brand in Korea, this nourishing hair serum uses natural oils, heat, and steam to infuse your locks with rich, hydrating ingredients like shea butter, jojoba seed oil, and coconut oil. It says go to page 6 to see how to apply it. So you're going to apply the hair serum on clean towel dried hair. Then you're going to place the steam cap completely over your hair, gently massage to warm up the serum. Secure the cap with adhesive band and leave on for 10 to 15 minutes. Remove the cap and rinse your hair with lukewarm water. So I'm excited to try that out. All right, that is it for my No Make No Life January box. It was a pretty good month. I think there's some really cute and exciting things that I actually think I'll get some use out of in this box. I am a little on the fence of whether or not I want to continue with No Make No Life. I love their boxes. Everything is so cute and just so adorably packaged. But if I'm being perfectly honest, I don't end up using really anything that I get. It all ends up going in like giveaways and gifts and things like that. I do use the masks, but is it worth the $40 a month just for like a face mask if I happen to get one? Probably not. But they've got me. They've got their hooks in me because I've basically been a member long enough so that I'm about to hit 15% off a month per for life. Again, is it worth it? No, but I probably will wait at least until I hit that 15% off mark, and then probably not do it anymore. It makes me sad because these are so cute and I've been doing it for so long, but if I'm not using it and things are just kind of like going to waste, then it's not worth spending the money on. There are so many other things I can spend my money on. So we'll see. I may not be doing too many more of these No Make No Life videos, but I hope you did like this one. If you did, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. It really helps my channel out when you do so. And I cannot wait to see you guys next time. Bye!